Class started 5 minutes ago. It's time to stop horsing around.
A, AP Calc gang, A, AP Calc gang, A, AP Calc gang, A, AP Calc gang.
Hey Lertola, where you been at? Oh, he's passing the sheets. What we learning about today, he said derivatives. You know, like d over dx, but there's a little more to that. Just make sure you know the full rules and you'll be all set.
To start, we got the power rule, and here's what's to that. Exponent times x to the exponent minus 1. And then we got a product first times the second d plus the second times the first d. That's all there is. Oh, with that quotient rule, we can't forget that's bottom times top d. Minus top times bottom d over bottom. No to keep it square, that's all I gotta say. Let's change the game, and now let's do this in respect to x implicit div.
Just gotta apply a new rule, that's the chain rule. Derive the outside with respect to the inside, then times by the der of the inside, dy dx.
But the question you might have is, what is a derivative? I'll tell you that it is an instantaneous rate of change. In other words, you call it slope of the tangent line. Let me tell you a bit more about these derivatives. Then we'll talk about trig and inverse trig functions.
The der of sine x equals cosine x. Next is a 1 for cosine, negative sine x. Deriv of tan of x, secant squared, there's 3 more to go. Secant x equals secant x and tan of x. CSC co x minus CSCx. Moving on, it's time for some inverse trig functions. S functions have a square and a minus sign. Inverse tan and inverse cotan got the plus sign. Inverse cosine, opposite of sine inverse. Cosecant inverse is the opposite of secant inverse.
Now let's talk about the derives of log functions. ln of u is equal to 1 over u times 2. Now to finish up this is related rate. You have gotta know a rate is a derivative. Closely read assign variables and use Leibniz notation. Then state what you know and what you're looking for. Equations should relate all the various quantities, differentiate both sides with respect to t. Yeah, we be cool and trying to focus on them derivatives, but now this is the end. Time to peace out, E-block man. AP Calc gang, AP Calc gang, AP Calc gang, AP Calc gang.
Yeah, that's the song right there, boys. Let's go.
E-block, what's up?